we go, folks. We're on the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Orlando with the local time of 1:56 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off that seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted. If you need extra assistance such as a wheelchair, please wait until the end of the deplaning process as they will be available after deplaning. For any checked-in item or luggage, it will be claimed at carousel A1 through 5. Once again, that'll be carousel A1 through 5. If you came on with a car seat or stroller, it'll be available here, right on the jet bridge. Please visit us at spirit.com, and as always, on behalf of this Orlando and Atlantic City crew, we'd like to welcome you to Orlando.